All right, guys, we're on 7.6, day 2. Now, not only do we just have one inequality to graph, we have a system. So we have 2 of them. So we're going to graph the first one, shade the region, graph the second one, shade the region, and then find where they overlap. And that is your final answer. You make it extra dark. So let's try number 1. All right, now these are already set up nice because y is alone. So we're going to start down at -5, and the slope is 2 over 1. So up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. And less than or equal to means a solid line. Shaded, less than would mean below. All right, shaded below. So that's line 1. Now, line 2. Line 2, the y-intercept is 4, so we start at 4, and then the slope is 1/3. So up 1, right 3. Up 1, right 3. Okay, and that says greater than, so that's a dashed line. And greater than means above. All right, so then you guys look for, there's one section that is doubly shaded where they overlap. And it's actually this section right here. So that's your final answer. Final answer, just make it extra dark where you have purple and pink. That's it. Because we had purple going this way and pink going this way, this is where they overlapped. If you even want to circle, that's the final answer. All right, let's skip down to number 3. All right, this is the good old Vuxhoy. Remember Vuxhoy? So Vuxhoy says, all right, x is greater than or equal to 3 means make a dot at x equals 3, and it's a vertical line, right? Do you guys remember Vuxhoy? So if it's x, it's vertical. So we make a solid vertical line through x equals 3. And then greater than for x would mean off to the right, because those are the numbers that are greater than 3. All right, now this one, if it's y, it's horizontal. So we make a dot at y equals 1. And then we're going to make a horizontal line, and less than y equals 1 means below. All right, find the overlap. What section do we have both red and purple? And it is this section right here, or you could just circle it. That's the final answer. It's the overlap. All right, we're going to do one hard one where you have to get y alone first. Okay, so for this guy, if you want to get y alone first, we're going to have to add the 3x to the other side. So it's going to be 2y equals 3x plus 8, right? We're just adding the 3x over to the other side. Oh, and I'm sorry, this is a greater than sign, not an equal. Greater than. Okay, and then to get y alone, we just divide every single piece by 2. And it ends up being y is greater than, so 3/2 I'm going to leave, and then 8 divided by 2 is 4. Okay, so this is our first line. So let's go ahead and graph that. So we have a y-intercept at 4, and the slope is up 3, right 2. Up 3, right 2. Now it says just greater than, so that is a dashed line, and greater than means above. All right, now line 2. On this one, we have to minus the 2x over to the other side. So you're left with negative y is less than or equal to negative 2x plus 1, right? Because I minus the 2x over, so it becomes negative. And then you're not done. We want y to be alone, so we have to divide every single piece by negative 1. Ooh, but if we divide by negative 1, we got to flip the symbol. All right, so we're at y is greater than or equal to. A negative divided by negative is a positive 2x, and then 1 divided by negative 1 is negative 1. All right, so that's our second line. Okay, let's graph it. Begin at negative 1, and then our slope is 2. So up 2, right 1. 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 Okay, that's going to be a solid line. And greater than or equal to is everything above it. All right, so find the overlapping region where it's blue and red. It's this section right here, or you could just circle it. All right, nice job, guys. I know these are a little confusing. If you have two different colors, it's really helpful to see the overlap. All right, thanks for watching.